Okay, students, you are learning fractions, and then last week most of the part of the fractions it is over. Left with only the word problem of fraction, various operations of fraction you could come to know by this time, and therefore we'll finish after doing all the word problems. Children, word problem of fraction, you are supposed to understand better, otherwise you will land into a problem. Sometimes you must know what is the remaining part. Through the statement it will be said to you, find out the remaining portion or find out the remaining fraction he or she will do or something like that. So you must know what is that remaining part. First of all, remaining of anything, if nothing is said to you, that has to be granted from 1 minus the given fraction. Fraction will be of course giving you in a proper fraction only, some portion given to someone or some of the share in a fraction said to you. That means it will be in proper fraction only. Could you understand? So remaining part will be proper fraction. The total part is whole, 1. The whole part is 1. So remaining will be 1 minus, if suppose 3 by 10 you are given to your brother. So remaining will be 1 minus 3 by 10. 1 minus 3 by 10, definitely if you subtract the numerator from the denominator, that will become 7 by 10. If you do it this way also, so 10 will be the LCM, and then 10 minus 3 which is equal to 7 by 10. So you can verbally do it. Anything is given to 3 by 5 you are given. So what will be remaining? 1 minus 3 by 5. 5 minus 3 is to 2 by 5. You are given 4 by 7 to someone. What is remaining? 7 minus 4 is 3. 3 by 7. Could you understand me? So that way you find remaining. But sometimes what happens, he has given 1/3 of the remaining part. Already remaining you have taken, out of that again 1/3 or some portion he given. So that language you have to understand. Okay, let us check some of the exercise. I have taken question number 1. First question I took it because the question was, I felt that I should discuss with you. So what happened, it is given to you the cost of micro oven. One cost of micro oven is there, that is costing 12,600. What happened? Rajesh didn't have money. So 12,600 at a time the individual doesn't have. So nowadays the things are given offer. So they said that it's fine, you can give in some of the part of the money you give it in cash, and some part you can give it in installment, and you can give it in 1 year paying 12 installment, monthly installment. Could you understand? So 12 installment he has been offered with. So he has paid rupees 2/3 of the money in cash. The total cost 2/3 portion he paid in cash, and remaining money he has paid in 12 installment. You need to find out each installment, means installment money how much he has to pay after paying 2/3 of the cost. Remaining portion divided into 12 equal part, and you have to find out the each part. That is what. So what you have to do? Cost of the micro oven you have written first. Then Rajesh paid in cash how much? It is given by the condition that 2/3 of the total money. So 2/3 of total money is 12,600. So 2/3 of 600 we find it out. Of means multiplication. 2/3 of you have written. 2/3 of this means 3 will be cancelling 12,600. 4 3s are 12 and 2 3s are 6. So 4200. So 2 into 4200 it will become 42,000 into 2 will be rupees 8,400. Rupees 8,400 that Rajesh has given in cash. Okay, now remaining how much money is left? Money left is 12,600 minus 8,400, which is equal to 4,200 rupees is left. That 4,200 rupees he will pay in 12 installment. That means 4,200 rupees he will pay in 12 equal part. Each month he has to pay how much then? Then 4,200 divided by 12. That is what number of installment is 12. Could understand monthly installment for an year. So number of installment in the question given to you is 12. So 12 and then total the money to be paid divided by 12, which is equal to 350 rupees he has to pay in each installment. That is what is asked to you in the question. I hope you have understood. That is why I took this question. Could understand? This is all your day-to-day life. Sometimes your application will be there, so you'll have to calculate instantly. Could understand? Now question number 2 again. I have taken it. The amount John got in a prize TV contest prize was there. The man has got 75,000 rupees in a TV contest prize. Got it? So super bumper he has got it. Let us see the portion he gave to income. He has to give some money. If you are earning some money, some part of the money it has to go to the government as a tax. You all should know. Otherwise, the money will be called as black money. That is what illegal money. You are not supposed to keep any illegal money. So any earnings, you'll have to pay some tax to government. Okay, why do you take tax? There is again some conception. Tax we paid for the development. See, road development, your infrastructure of hospitals, this thing, that thing. For this, governments also need money. No, but from government will take. They take the tax from the individual, from the business organization, from the industrialist, from the anything. For everything, tax is levied. Could you understand? So he earned this. Got this much of award. Means he has got that prize. Then out of that prize, he has given income tax 1/10. So the portion of amount left is how much? How much fraction is left? 1/10 he has given to income tax. So what is left? I said always remaining portion fraction will be 1 minus the given fraction. 1 minus 1/10, that is 9/10 he is left after giving income tax 1/10. Could you understand? 9/10 part is left with him. What he did? Out of 9/10 he gave to his son, daughter and Red Cross Society. He gave to his son 1/3, he gave to his daughter 1/5, and he gave to the Red Cross Society for some social development. That is 1/10. So what he has done it, out of the remaining he has given all this fraction. So altogether how much he gave it? Altogether he gave it is, if you find out the LCM will be 30. 30 divided by 3 is equal to 10. 10 into 1 is 10. 6, it will be 5. 30 divided by 5 is 6. 6 into 1 is 6. And 30 divided by 10 is equal to 3. 3 into 1 is 3. So altogether is 19/30. 19/30 he has given to son, daughter and Red Cross Society. Could you understand? This 19/30. The portion he gave to 19/30 of what? Remaining portion. That you have to understand. 19/30. All that fraction he has given from the remaining portion, not from his total earning, total gift. Could you understand me? That you have to distinguish. That is why I took this one. See, 19/30 he has given altogether this fraction. From where? Out of the remaining. Out of the remaining is what? 9/10. So he has portion he has given to them totally is 19/30 of that. 19/30 of what? Remaining is 9/10. So 9/10. So 57/100 part he has given to all those. So the portion John gave to his wife is the remaining portion of after giving to everybody. So this, after this one, or how much is remaining with him? What was lying? 9/10 was lying. Out of that, 57/100 he has given to son, wife and Red Cross Society. So what is remaining? 9/10 minus 57/100, which is equal to 100 will be LCM, and 10 into 9 is 90. 90 minus 57 will be numerator, that will be 33/100. 33/100 portion he is left for his wife. I hope you have understood. This question is very, very important. Okay, now this much portion, this is the first answer. Then amount he gave, this much portion of the total amount. Total amount is 75,000. So 33 upon 100 of this one. If you find it, then 100 0 will be cancelled. 750 into 33, 33 into 750 will be 24,750. I will go once again. What John did? John got 75,000 rupees, and portion he gave to income tax is 110. Remaining is 1 minus 110, 9/10. The condition given to you that out of 9/10 he has given to his son 1/3, to his daughter 1/5, and to the Rescott Society 1/10. So altogether he has given to these three will be adding of this addition of this of 9/10, because 9/10 was the remaining. From the remaining portion only this fraction given. So he has given altogether is 57/100. So leftover is from 9/10. Subtract that 57/100, that will be the leftover portion which he has given to y, that becomes 33/100. Could you understand the amount given? 33/100 of the total amount, that is 75,000, which comes 24,750. I hope you have understood it. Go through the sum, very important sum as far as class 7 is concerned. Whatever you have done fractional word problem till now was very simple one. You need to know this type of sums. Do some more from other book, you will be thorough with. Okay, now question number 6 I have taken. Total number of packet of sketch pen Rajesh. This is very simple sum. Total number of packet Rajesh has got is equal to 20, and he gave it to Krishna 12. Out of 20 he gave it to Krishna 12. So what will be the fraction he has given to Krishna? Definitely 12 by the quantity he has given to Krishna divided by the total quantity. So fraction he gave it to Krishna is equal to 12/20, which is equal to, if you make it, it will go with 4. 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 5, and 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. So 3/5. So fraction of packet he gave to Krishna is equal to 3/5. That is the answer asking to you. Now fraction he gave it to Meena is how much? He said it is given in the question that he gave it to Meena as 6 packet he has given. So Meena he has given definitely fraction given 6/20. The number of packets given to Meena divided by total number of packet, that is 6/20, that is 3/10. So fraction he has given to Meena is equal to 3/10. Now so what is the fraction left? How much has he given first? First is 3/10 plus 3/5. That if we add it, then he has given the total portion or total fraction to both of them. If you add these two fractions, 10 will be the LCM, 5 will divide 10 by 2, 2 into 3 is 6, and 10 will divide 10, 1 into 3 is 3. So 6 plus 3 is 9/10. This is the portion he has given to both. Understood? Now what is the left with him? I said remaining portion or leftover will be, if it is not said from the remaining, then it will be always subtracted from 1. 1 minus 10, 9/10 is equal to 1/10. Could you understand? This is the one answer, and these are the two answers it is asked in the question. Moving on to question number 9. I have not solved all the questions. It's not required. You can very well do it, and you will have to do of your own after gaining the knowledge from this video and your previous knowledge. You will have to solve the other one. Of course, I will send some of the sums of this exercise through homework also. And however, if you have got doubt in some of the question, you will definitely speak to me. Now, question number 9 I have taken. The fraction of book Ajay read. See, this is a very good question. Some pages of the books are there. The total number of pages, I think it is it is 360 pages of the book is there. Then Ajay has read in a week 7/10. Ajay read is 11/18, and Seema read in a week is equal to 7/10. Okay, so two students are reading the book. Someone's reading will be faster, someone's will be slower, but that is given in fraction. So let us see who is reading faster. So among these two fractions, we have to compare 11/18 and 7/10. How will you compare? I'll say you, for comparison also you are supposed to make a like term. If you cannot go for like term, you can go for cross multiplication. So to teach you the different procedure, I took cross multiplication procedure, and you have to act as according to the question, according to your time. See here, if you go for cross multiplication, it will be easier. Simple is that you just go for the denominator of one fraction to the numerator of other fraction, and then see which one is greater. So 18 into 7 it will be 126, and 11 into 10 will be 110. Definitely 126 is greater. So whose numerator was 126? So 7, this one. This fraction is greater. 126 is greater than 110, therefore 7/10 is greater. So who is reading faster? Who is reading 7/10 portion of the pages? Seema. Therefore Seema is reading faster by how much? 7/10 minus 11/18, that is 4/45. How much is it reading faster? How you have got 15 chocolate and your friend has got 10 chocolate. How much you are having more, and who is having more? Definitely you are having more. By how much? 15 minus 10. That is what you have done. Both the fraction, from the greater fraction you have subtracted smaller fraction, you have got it. You have done LCM will be 90 in this case. 10 and 18 LCM will be 90. 18 will not be able to divide. 18 2s will be 36, will not be able to divide. If 18 5 side will go. So 18 5s are 90, which will be able to be divided by 10, and 18 both. So 90 will be the LCM. If you say divide 90 by 10, it will become 9. 9 into 7 is 63. And 9 into 18, if you divide by 90, you divide by 18, it will be 5. 5 into 11 is 55. 63 minus 55 is equal to 8 by 90. 8 by 90, if you make a smallest term, it will be 4 by 45. So that is the CIMA read faster by fraction is 4 by 45. How much by pages? 4 by 45 of the total number of page. 4 by 45 of total number is 360. If you simplify this, 45 9s are 9. If you divide in 9 5s are 45, and 9 if you divide 360, it will be 40. Again 5 will be cancelled with 40. 5 8s are. So it will become 8, and this side 4. 4 into 8 pages. That is 4 into 8 pages is 32 pages. So CIMA read faster weekly speed of CIMA for reading pages are faster by 32 pages. Then Ajay could understand me. This is the way how to solve word problem. If you come across some difficulties about the word problem, you must talk to me. I hope you will understand. If not one time, you go for 2 times to this video, you will definitely gain some knowledge and you will be able to solve.